Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about use of is, am, are. So where we have to use these words, okay? Is. So we have to use is. Where we have to use is. Example, when we have to use is here, he, she, it, this, that. So these are all called singular noun. Where we have to see the singular noun. So in that place we have to use the is. For example, he is a boy. So he is a boy. Okay. Okay. Next, she. She is a girl. She is a girl. Okay. Next, it. It is a marker. It is a marker. This. Okay. This is a book. This is a book. That. That is a bottle. So, I have to write here. That is a bottle. That is a bottle. That is a water bottle. Okay. Like that. So, where we have to use is. So, where we have to see the singular noun. So, at the place of the singular noun, we have to use the is. Okay. Next, are. Where we have to use are. So, is, we, they, these, those. So, these, those and it. So, in these spaces we have to use the are. That is plural nouns. Okay. Am. Where we have to use am. Am means I. So, I am a good girl. For example, I am a good girl. Okay. Next, I am reading. I am reading. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. Okay. Like that. So, where we have to use, for example, are. So, plural. Where in the cases of the plural noun, where we have to see the plural noun, in that place we have to use the are. For example, you are my friend. Okay. So, we are eating. We are eating something. So, we are eating apple. We are eating banana, like that. Okay. Next, they. This is also, they is also plural noun. Okay. So, they are going. So, where they are going? So, they are going. So, we don't know, they are going. Next, those. So, those are trees. Those are trees. And then next, these. This is also plural noun. These, those, they. So, these are apples. These are apples. Okay. So, next, Ramu and Raju are best friends. So, where we have to use are is also a plural noun. Are is also a plural noun. So, Ramu and Raju are best friends. Lion and tiger. So, we have to use here two names are there. So, we have to use for two names, that is a plural nouns. Okay. So, Ramu and Raju are plural noun and lion and tiger also two naming words are there. So, that is plural noun. So, lion and tiger are wild animals. So, like that we have to use of is, am and are. Okay. Is used for the where we have to use singular noun. Where we have to observe the singular noun, in that place also we have to use is. Third singular nouns are he, she, it, this, that. In that places we use the is. So where we have to use are. So are is used in the sentences for the plural, in the place of the plural noun. That is it, we, they, those, these. These are the plural nouns. Okay. This is about use of is, am and are. Okay. Am is used for only I. Okay. Thanks for watching, children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.